Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog we have this new Godox ML60 Mark II BI or bicolor. So this is the box of the new. Actually, this is the Mark II pare, right? The first version is a black one. So they make redesign and the color, they change the color. So let's check and yeah, check the quality of this new Godox ML62 BI. So, without further ado, let's unbox. But again, let's see the box here. You have already Bluetooth smart control. Kelvin, again, it's 2,800 to 6,500. You have 11 effects. Godox mount. So, Bowen's mount. Yeah. Godox mount. I think it's smaller. So, it comes already with a battery kit AK-B01. Available separate also. So, yeah, let's try to unbox and check this new Godox. Wow, it's have already a bag. It is soft bag. Yeah, this is the soft bag. Okay. So you have already name here. The bag is very nice. It's very nice. Yeah, soft bag. So I have already label here. ML60BI. Nice label. And let's open now the. Wow. So this is manual, of course. You have your manual. Let's see first the cable, direct power cable. It's also the bracket for you want to use umbrella, yeah, and for the slide stand. It's already here. Okay, and the mount, the small reflector. This is Godox mount. They call this Godox mount, and I think this is similar with the previous ML60. Yun, this is the Godox mount. Yeah, so this is the Godox. See? No. DC. Ayan. So, you need to buy the power separately. This one, the um, AK-B01. If you want to use outdoor, if you want to use battery, you need to use this Godox AK-B01. So, let's see if we have available the AK-01. Let's try and check the quality of this new Godox ML60 Mark II BI. So guys, this is the quality of the lights. Again, we're using the Godox ML60 Mark II BI. So I'm already 100% power with 5,500 Kelvin. So this is the light, and I'm using also the softbox, which is the AD AD softbox from Godox. It's called AD S85W or the white version. AD 65 S85W because 85 centimeter. So it's perfect fit on the Godox ML60 Mark II BI. So let's try also to use the tungsten, which is 2,800 Kelvin. So this is the quality of the tungsten, 2,800 Kelvin. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. So this is a quick test and unboxing for the new Godox ML60 Mark II BI. So yan, if you want to check, we have also 65 anti-centimeter for this softbox. So ayan, I think for 60 is good for good lights. So imagine you have already softbox with a grid, yan, but still you have a good light. So again, I think that's it for today. So if you are searching for a compact, smaller, and a good price lights, so compact lights or COB mini lights, so you can check this Godox ML60 Mark II BI. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this new Godox ML60 Mark II BI, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Again, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check the light itself, you can come and visit us here in Megastore showroom. You can check the light and test. Yeah. So yan, hanggang dito na lang again guys. Flex time. Thank you kay Home for the behind the camera. And yan, hanggang dito lang. www.abworld.com. Also, all the Godox product that we have here in AB World. Check to our website. Thank you and mabuhay.